Hello, everybody, and welcome to creatingwebsite.org. Today, we have a behind the scenes tutorial for you, or really an announcement of this new software called HQ Webinar, where you could do your own webinars straight from your computer, unlimited access, unlimited attendees. You store your webinars on a cloud so it doesn't take up the space of your hard drive. You can pre record your webinar, upload it, and replay it like a live webinar. Now, I remember I ordered a product not too long ago that had similar features. It was $379. I didn't actually order it, but that was the price of the product, $379. Now you can get this webinar program for $47. That's right, once off, once off. So HQ Webinar, for those of you that are looking to make your own webinars, this is the software. Let me just show you some of the features. Here's the web page here. Let me show you some of the features really quick, what you can do. Let me show you. Let me scroll down for you. It's amazing. We're going to compare it because I know there's different webinar software out there. So I want to show you the different features compared to the softwares that are out there. You can add multimedia. You got smooth screen sharing. You can remind your attendees about an upcoming webinar that you have coming up. You can join in the browser. You can do recording and replay. So, for example, say I record a webinar, I could upload it. You could watch it whenever you want. You could track and export. You could add attendees to your mailing list, such as Aweber, MailChimp, and all that good stuff. Top it off. It's in true HD quality, no delays. There's a waiting lounge. It's amazing for $47. Now, let me show you some of the comparing to, because I know there's GoToWebinar and, different ones out there. You got Zoom, you got Cisco WebEx. Here's some of the things you get. HQ peer-to-peer powerful distribution system. None of them are in GoToWebinar. Cisco WebEx and Zoom, they don't have it, but HQ Webinar does. Cloud-based webinar system. So in other words, like I told you earlier, it doesn't take up all the space on your hard drive. You can run high quality live right here. Look at that. High quality live webinar, real smooth. You can do that with all four. Broadcast any pre-recorded video as a live webinar, which I've told you about. You can only do that with HQ Webinar. Amazing. Run automated live like a stimulated webinar. Run encore and replay with confidence. On-demand webinar. So like I said, you upload it, they can watch it whenever they want. You can even run paid webinars. Say you want to do a seminar and you want to charge some finances in order to register. You can do that with HQ Webinar. You can create high converting landing pages, unlimited webinars, pages, and attendees. Unlimited when you get the upgraded version, because there's a $47 version, then there's a $97 version. When you buy the $97 version, you get unlimited webinars, unlimited pages, unlimited attendees. You got an autoresponder and email funnel that comes in all four. In inbuilt chat system, you get those and you get that in all four. So there's some things that GoToWebinar does have, Cisco WebEx does have, and Zoom does have. But there's some things that only HQ Webinar has. Unlimited attendees, multiple coordinators. You can create up to 15 coordinators. It's amazing. And of course, you got the instant chat option, pretty cool. Recording and replay, adding multimedia, smooth screen sharing. You can share your screen. That's right, an HQ webinar. No delays. There's a waiting lounge, so you can see who's in the waiting lounge. It's amazing. You got templates. If you want to create a template for your webinar to make your webinar stand out, we give you 50 pre-made templates. You got branding customization, replay pages, unlimited hosting. So like I said, this is not hosted on somewhere where you pay for the hosting or you store it on your computer. This is all included in the cloud hosting and it's free, unlimited. Amazing. You can integrate it with any system, tracking and remarketing system, collect payment directly in PayPal. So for example, you say you want to do a seminar, you want to teach on how to play the keyboard or whatever it may be, okay? They could pay to register, but then it goes, if you have a PayPal account, it goes to your PayPal account, so you can have people register by paying with PayPal. Amazing. A pay to register system for $47 or $97, whichever one you choose. The features I'm giving you now, look here, unlimited attendees, $47 one time. Unlimited support, you get that in all four. Now, just to compare some of these prices, like I said, I went, I had an opportunity to buy a webinar software. They wanted to charge me 300. I'll show you the price right now. $379 for a webinar. Amazing. This one you get for $47. Okay. So if you're into broadcasting live from your computer, maybe you want to do a webinar, you're selling a product that you want the people to buy, this is amazing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the video and you can get your own copy today. Now, of course, this is an upsell. So it's a little, they got the little countdown timer going on and it is a limited time offer. Okay, so let me just show you once again all these things you get. Broadcast any pre-recorded video as live. Run high quality live webinar smoothly. Run live like automated webinar. Run encore and replay with confidence. You can run paid webinars, step-by-step video trainings you get. I mean, you can integrate this with so many other things. Your email app, you got that was Aweber and MailChimp. You can integrate it with that. This webinar works with WordPress, Shopify, OptimizePress, Lead Pages, ClickFunnels. It's amazing. Okay, so let me just show you real quick one more time all these amazing features that you're going to get if you get it today. Now, remember, this is a limited time, so you need to act real soon, okay, because it is a limited time offer at this price. It's an early bird discount. It says it's ending in 1 hour and 55 minutes, but that's just for me. You see what I'm saying? Yours is not going to end in an hour. You can get yours today. Now, let me show you this. Let me show you something here. This is good stuff. You can write the script, record it with presentation, editor's tweak, shiny, and converting webinar. What does it mean by record it with presentation? Did you know they give you PowerPoint templates for your webinar? So instead of trying to go create a whole PowerPoint from scratch and do your whole webinar, which takes about 5 hours in itself, we give you pre-made PowerPoint templates. Not only that, there is bonuses that you get. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited for you because this is an awesome program. I mean, webinars to create back in the day have been very expensive, but you get upsells with this. Let me show you really quick. I know I'm a little bit excited, but I just want to show you. I don't want you to miss out on this awesome deal. Okay. So here's some of the things that you get right here in a nutshell. You're going to get basic webinar marketing training calls. That's included. Webinar, how Jai Sharma made over 4 million business in the last 3.5 years starting from scratch. Another special. Account and Site to Apps version 2.0. That's a mobile app builder. Mobile app. You want to build a mobile app? That's included in the special. Also, you get Canva, Kali with agency rights, and you can install this on all sites. You can check that one out. And these are all upsells. All these things you get: Email Booster Pro. You could create email timers to boost scarcity in mails, evergreen and fixed times apart from scarcity bars at the bottom of the page, express stores. All these are bonuses. Social Trend Spy. Normal price is about $3,000. Like I said, you get it for $47 or $97 if you want to get the upsell. All right. Well, I think that's about wraps it up for me. Go out there and get it now. It's limited. Should I go over them one more time? Cloud-based webinar system, high quality live webinar smoothly, broadcast any pre-recorded video as a live webinar, automated live like stimulated seminar, run encore and replay with confidence, on-demand webinar, run paid webinars, high converting landing pages, unlimited webinars, pages, and attendees, autoresponder and email funnel. My goodness, I'm running out of breath just sharing all these. Let me catch my breath. Okay, HQ, peer-to-peer distribution system, inbuilt chat system, analytics and report system, dedicated support system, real-time HD stream, unlimited attendees, multiple coordinators, instant chat option, recording and replay. You can add multimedia, smooth screen sharing, remind your attendees of the webinar, no delays. There's a waiting lounge, ready to use templates, as I mentioned, branding customization, replay pages where it's on demand, free unlimited hosting. You don't have to host it on your computer or hosting network. We host it in the cloud for you. Inbuilt email funnel system. You can collect the emails of those that register for your webinar. Integrate with any system if you have MailChimp, what else? Aweber and all those email things. Tracking and remarketing system. Collect payment directly in PayPal. If you have a PayPal, you want to run a paid webinar, the finances go straight to your PayPal account. Complete newbie friendly, unlimited support, complete step-by-step video training and tutorials, newbie friendly and fully cloud-based software integration with all major apps, works with WordPress, Shopify, Optimized Press, 8Pages, ClickFunnels, premium support response in 30 minutes, allow clients to run webinars from your account. So in other words, I can run a webinar from your account. Yes, I can run a webinar from your account and you can charge me. Okay, let's move on. Handle unlimited client campaigns in your dashboard and charge them a monthly recurring price, which I just talked about. Okay, how much is it? Special, $97. Get yours today. It's creatingwebsite.org, where our mission is to teach you how to create a website. And if you want to do a webinar, live webinar, teaching someone how to create a website, you can do that with HQ Webinar. Thank you for tuning in. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.